Exfoliation is a crucial step in maintaining clear, smooth, and radiant skin, but using the wrong cleanser can cause irritation, dryness, or breakouts. To help, we've reviewed the best facial cleansers with exfoliating properties, designed to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and refine texture without harming the skin barrier. From gentle powders to creamy scrubs, these top 5 products provide effective exfoliation for all skin types. Let's explore each one in detail, highlighting features, benefits, usage, and what makes them the best for your daily skincare routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting. The Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant is a cult favorite chemical exfoliant designed to unclog pores, smooth skin texture, and reduce blackheads. With salicylic acid as its active ingredient, it penetrates deep into pores to remove excess oil and dead skin cells without abrasive scrubbing. Lightweight, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free, it is suitable for sensitive, oily, and combination skin types. Daily use promotes clearer, smoother skin and reduces the appearance of enlarged pores while maintaining hydration and barrier health. Key features: contains 2% salicylic acid, BHA, for deep exfoliation. Alcohol-free and fragrance-free. Lightweight liquid formula suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply a small amount to a cotton pad and sweep across clean, dry skin once or twice daily. Penetrates pores to remove buildup, minimize breakouts, and improve texture. Daily use results in smoother, brighter skin with fewer blackheads and refined pores. Usability: liquid formula spreads easily and absorbs quickly. Compatible with moisturizers and serums. Can be layered with sunscreen in morning routines. Durability: long-lasting bottle ensures consistent results over months. Maintains active potency and gentle exfoliation throughout use. In the second spot, we have St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot. The St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub is a classic physical exfoliant designed to slough away dead skin and reveal fresh, smooth skin. Enriched with natural walnut shell powder and apricot extract, it gently buffs and polishes the skin while providing antioxidant benefits. Its creamy texture lathers easily, removing dirt, oil, and dulling surface cells. Ideal for normal to oily skin, this scrub improves texture, reduces rough patches, and gives the skin a radiant, refreshed appearance without overdrying. Key features: natural walnut shell powder for physical exfoliation. Apricot extract for antioxidant support. Creamy, lathering formula suitable for normal to oily skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin, massage gently in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. Removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and brightens complexion. Regular use improves texture, smooths rough areas, and leaves skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Usability: gentle, lathering texture spreads evenly, rinses cleanly, and is easy to incorporate into morning or evening routines. Compatible with moisturizers and serums post-use. Durability: packaged in a squeeze tube for controlled dispensing. Long-lasting formula maintains exfoliating performance over repeated use. Coming in at number 3 is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant is a unique rice-based powder exfoliant that activates upon contact with water to release enzymes and gentle exfoliating particles. Suitable for all skin types, it smooths and brightens the complexion without irritation. Its mild, enzyme-rich formula targets dead skin cells and impurities, refining texture and enhancing absorption of serums and moisturizers. Ideal for daily use, it supports skin health, reduces dullness, and leaves the skin soft, polished, and radiant. Key features: rice-based powder exfoliant with enzymes. Gentle enough for daily use. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: pour a small amount into wet hands, create a paste, and massage onto face for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Removes dead cells, smooths texture, and brightens skin without causing irritation. Daily use enhances radiance, promotes healthy cell turnover, and leaves skin soft and polished. Usability: powder transforms into creamy paste on wet skin, making application easy and mess-free. Suitable for morning or evening routines. Compatible with other skincare products. Durability: powder format ensures long shelf life and controlled usage. Provides consistent exfoliation over months. Taking our fourth spot is La Roche-Posay Ultrafine Scrub. La Roche-Posay Ultrafine Scrub is a gentle physical exfoliant designed for sensitive and reactive skin. Its ultrafine grains remove dead skin and impurities without causing micro-tears or irritation. Enriched with thermal spring water, it soothes and calms skin while providing light exfoliation. Ideal for daily or alternate day use, it refines texture, promotes a smoother complexion, and supports a healthy skin barrier. This scrub combines safety, efficacy, and comfort, making it suitable for those who want gentle but effective exfoliation. Key features: ultrafine exfoliating particles, enriched with thermal spring water for soothing, dermatologist tested for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin, massage gently in circular motions, and rinse thoroughly. Removes dead cells and impurities while calming and soothing sensitive areas. Regular use refines texture, reduces rough patches, and improves skin smoothness. Usability: creamy, smooth texture spreads easily, rinses cleanly, and avoids irritation. Compatible with serums and moisturizers. Suitable for daily or alternate day routines. Durability: packaged in a robust tube, formula maintains exfoliating properties over multiple uses. Long-lasting performance ensures consistent skin benefits. And finally, at number 5, we have Neutrogena Pore Refining. Wash Neutrogena Pore Refining Wash is a dual-action cleanser and exfoliant formulated with gentle microbeads and glycolic acid. It removes impurities, unclogs pores, and refines skin texture. Suitable for normal to oily skin, it helps reduce blackheads and smooths rough areas. The combination of physical and chemical exfoliation provides thorough cleansing without overdrying. Daily use promotes clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin while supporting overall skin health and minimizing pore appearance. Key features: dual-action formula with microbeads and glycolic acid. Removes dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. Suitable for normal to oily skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp face, massage gently, then rinse. Unclogs pores, smooths texture, and removes impurities. Regular use reduces blackheads, minimizes pore appearance, and promotes a clearer, healthier complexion. Usability: smooth, lathering texture, spreads evenly, and rinses cleanly. Suitable for morning and evening routines. Compatible with moisturizers and serums. Durability: packaged in a durable tube, long-lasting formula maintains exfoliating performance over months. Consistent quality ensures effective daily cleansing. Exfoliation is essential for maintaining smooth, radiant, and clear skin, but choosing the right facial cleanser exfoliant is key to avoiding irritation. These top 5 facial cleansers with exfoliating properties provide gentle, effective removal of dead skin cells, unclog pores, and refined texture for a healthier complexion. From chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid to gentle physical scrubs and innovative powders, each product ensures optimal results. Incorporate one into your daily skincare routine for smooth, radiant, and refreshed skin while protecting and maintaining your skin barrier.